Yeah.
Worth every penny.
Yeah, you know, they're not, nothing's good as cheap, right?
Not out here.
No, not anymore.
Have you been to the cafe down the street there for breakfast? No? We're trying to find some food.
Oh, you're trying to find food?
Yeah.
I know just halfway down here, not halfway, just around the corner on the right, there's an outdoor, they have a food truck there.
We're back going to, we found this place on Google. We're gonna go get some food there. Hopefully they have Bailey's so I can start my morning with a Bailey's and coffee. That's how you start a vacation, am I right? Oh dude, this is sick, this trail compared to the freaking freeway. Dude, the meats. Dude, you did get laid. The comments about Dan's bum. Dan, you should go behind Graham if you value your cheeks. This is sucker. You snooze, you lose. It looks closed as fuck to me. I'm so glad we came all this way for no food from anywhere. Oh my god, 2 to 6 only. I love making breakfast. Let's get eggs, bacon, sausages, have some hashies. Yeah, we're only here for a weekend, so we're trying to be lazy, but people come out here for a week, 2 weeks at a time. They bring their own food and stuff. That's the whole point of camping, you know? She's smiling. What are you wearing, Dan? Can you put that away? You're so white. Good thing I got goggles on. Yeah, I will do. That's so good. Okay, boys, let's go get some Baileys, some coffees, some dank wheelies. Alright, so we're back here. We're doing top of the mountain. So we're going to be able to see the campground that we're at, the RV park, from up here, I've been told. And we got some gnarly hill climbs. These boys have taken their GSs here before. And yeah, here we are. On some private roads out here in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh, you guys are far. Slow down. I'm trying to vlog back here. So now I'm just, oh my god, I'm fucking rocking this. Like, we're flying. No, I'm doing like 70 Ks of this mother bitch. This is so sick what I'm getting on my GoPro right now, boys. Exactly. Dude, give me the... Exactly. Give me the wiggles. Oh, yeah. Goosing. Oh! Are we gonna be bitches and go slow because we don't get wet? It's kind of sketchy right here, but I like it. I turn my regen up because I'm catching you so fast. Oh, I do not trust you, bitch. Oh my god. Here we go. There we go. Me and Dan together. Yeah, buddy. Keep going. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. That was sick with the background. Oh my god. Okay. This is kind of cool. Oh my god. I was behind you, there's no wheelie. Yeah. There it is! He crashed! Ah! Did you actually loop it? You looped it, you just looped it. I told you he's gonna crash this trip. Trust Graham. Where is he? And go.
Oh god! Whoa! Why would you stop? Oh my god, I was looking behind you. Why? Are you guys okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, my head. I'm sorry, Ellie, are you okay?
My fucking right ribs are killing me in my right wrist.
Okay, let's get on this log right here. Sit me down on this log.
Oh my god, my ribs.
So I see my buddy Graham gun it here. He's just ripping up. So then we start doing wheelies like we've been doing the entire time. And if I slow it down right here, you can see he just grabs full rear brake. And he comes to a dead stop and then turns in a bit, blocking the trail right beside a down log. We had nowhere to go. Dan just made it beside the log within like millimeters to spare. And this is how I tore 2 tendons in my right wrist. 6 weeks now since the crash. I'm going to a specialist. My wrist is still not back to normal. And I broke a rib clean and cracked 3. Not a fun way to end that ride.